This is why you need the links. Welcome to Cocktail Heaven. Hey there, cocktail lovers. Ready to shake things up and impress your friends with some seriously delicious drinks? Whether you're a seasoned bartender or just starting your cocktail journey, I've got you covered. We're diving headfirst into the world of classic cocktails, exploring 4 iconic recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Get ready to unleash your inner mixologist as we break down each cocktail step by step, from the essential ingredients to the perfect garnish. We'll make sure you're mixing, muddling, and shaking with confidence in no time. So, grab your shakers, chill your glasses, and let's get this cocktail party started. Mojito Madness. A Cuban fiesta in a glass. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey that will transport you straight to the vibrant streets of Havana. First up, we're heading to Cuba for a taste of sunshine with the refreshing mojito. This iconic drink is more than just a cocktail. It's a celebration in a glass. This classic cocktail is the perfect blend of sweet, sour, and minty, making it ideal for warm evenings and backyard barbecues. Imagine sipping this delightful concoction while the sun sets, casting a golden hue over your gathering. Here's what you'll need. White rum, because every good party needs a little rum. The heart and soul of our mojito, bringing that unmistakable Caribbean flair. Fresh mint leaves, the star of the show, adding a burst of refreshing aroma and flavor that dances on your palate. Sugar, for that sweet kick, balancing the tartness and enhancing the overall taste. Lime juice, to balance out the sweetness, providing that zesty punch that makes the mojito so irresistible. Soda water, for a bit of fizz, adding a light bubbly texture that makes each sip refreshing. And ice, lots of it, to keep your drink chilled and refreshing. Tools: muddler, highball glass. Now let's get muddling. 1. Muddle those mint leaves with sugar and lime juice at the bottom of your glass. This step is crucial as it releases the essential oils from the mint, infusing your drink with its signature flavor. Don't be shy, give them a good press to release those amazing flavors. The more you muddle, the more aromatic your mojito will be. 2. Fill the glass with ice. We're talking packed to the brim. The ice not only chills the drink, but also helps to dilute the strong flavors, making it perfectly balanced. 3. Pour in the rum and give it a good stir. This is where the magic happens, as the rum mingles with the muddled ingredients, creating a symphony of flavors. 4. Top it off with soda water. The fizz adds a delightful effervescence that makes each sip a joy. 5. Garnish with a sprig of fresh mint and a lime wedge. This not only adds to the visual appeal, but also enhances the aroma, making your mojito even more inviting. There you have it, a taste of Cuba in a glass. Cheers! Raise your glass and toast to good times, great friends, and the vibrant spirit of Cuba. Enjoy every sip of your homemade mojito and let it transport you to a tropical paradise. Long Island iced tea. More than just a tea party. This isn't your typical afternoon tea. It's a cocktail that brings a whole new level of excitement to the table. Don't let the name fool you. This cocktail is not for the faint of heart. It's a powerhouse of flavors and spirits that can catch even the most seasoned drinkers off guard. The Long Island iced tea packs a punch with its potent mix of spirits, making it a favorite for those who like their drinks strong and refreshing. It's the perfect blend of strength and refreshment, ideal for a night out or a special occasion. Here's the lineup of suspects. Vodka, the leader of the pack, which provides a smooth and neutral base for the cocktail. Gin, because one spirit is never enough, adds a botanical twist that enhances the complexity of the drink. White rum, keeping the party going, brings a hint of sweetness and a tropical vibe to the mix. Tequila, adding a little Mexican fiesta, introduces a bold and fiery element that makes the cocktail even more exciting. Triple Sec, a touch of sweetness, balances the strong spirits with its citrusy sweetness, making the drink more palatable. Lemon Juice, for a citrusy zing, adds a refreshing tartness that cuts through the alcohol, giving the cocktail a bright and zesty finish. Cola, to top it all off, not only adds a bit of fizz, but also brings all the flavors together in a harmonious blend. And ice. Keep it cool, people. Tools: highball glass, cocktail shaker. The ice is crucial to keep the drink chilled and refreshing. Ready to mix it up? Let's go. 1. Fill your cocktail shaker with ice. This will ensure that your drink is perfectly chilled. 2. Pour in equal parts vodka, gin, rum, tequila, triple sec, and lemon juice. The equal parts ensure that no single spirit overpowers the others, creating a balanced flavor profile. 3. Give it a good shake, shake, shake. This not only mixes the ingredients well, but also chills the drink to perfection. 4. Strain into your ice-filled highball glass. Straining removes the ice from the shaker, leaving you with a smooth, cold cocktail. 5. Top it off with cola. The cola adds a touch of sweetness and carbonation, making the drink more enjoyable. Pro tip: garnish with a lemon wedge, which adds a bit of flair and an extra hint of citrus. Or go wild with a cocktail cherry. The cherry adds a pop of color and a sweet finish to each sip. Remember, folks, this one sneaks up on you. Its smooth taste can be deceiving, so pace yourself and enjoy it slowly. Sip responsibly and enjoy the ride. The Long Island iced tea is a journey of flavors and sensations, perfect for those who appreciate a well-crafted cocktail. If you enjoyed this cocktail journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes and tips. Cheers! Next up, we're escaping to a beach paradise with the sex on the beach. Imagine the gentle sound of waves crashing, the warm sun kissing your skin, and the soft sand beneath your feet. This cocktail is your ticket to that serene escape. This fruity and vibrant cocktail is like a mini vacation in a glass, transporting you to a world of sunshine and relaxation. Each sip is a burst of tropical flavors that will make you feel like you're lounging by the ocean, even if you're just in your backyard. Vodka, the life of the party, adds a smooth and robust base to our cocktail, setting the stage for the other flavors to shine. Peach schnapps, a taste of summer, brings a sweet and fruity note, reminiscent of biting into a juicy ripe peach on a hot summer day. Cranberry juice, for a tart kick, adds a refreshing tartness that balances the sweetness, giving the cocktail a delightful zing. Orange juice, a splash of sunshine, infuses the drink with a bright citrusy flavor, like a burst of sunshine in every sip. Ice, to keep things cool and breezy, ensures your cocktail stays refreshingly chilled, perfect for those hot beach days. 1. Fill your highball glass with ice. We're talking beach-ready levels. The more ice, the cooler and more refreshing your drink will be. 1. Pour in the vodka, peach schnapps, cranberry juice, and orange juice. Watch as the vibrant colors mix together, creating a beautiful sunset-like hue. 1. Give it a good stir, allowing the flavors to mingle like a beach party. The stirring helps blend the ingredients, ensuring every sip is perfectly balanced. Orange slice. Because every beach needs a little sunshine. This garnish not only adds a pop of color, but also enhances the citrusy aroma. Cocktail cherry. For a touch of sweetness. This little gem adds a delightful sweetness and a splash of color, making your drink look as good as it tastes. This cocktail is best enjoyed with your toes in the sand, or at least pretending to. Close your eyes, take a sip, and let the flavors transport you to your own personal paradise. Whether you're at the beach or just dreaming of one, this drink is your perfect companion. Last but not least, we're adding a touch of sophistication with the Cosmopolitan. This iconic cocktail is the epitome of elegance, perfect for sipping on while channeling your inner Carrie Bradshaw. Vodka citron for a citrusy twist. Cointreau, adding a touch of orange liqueur magic. Cranberry juice for that signature pink hue. Lime juice, a dash of tartness. Ice, to keep it cool and collected. Tools: cocktail shaker, martini glass. 1. Fill your cocktail shaker with ice. 1. Pour in the vodka citron, Cointreau, cranberry juice, and lime juice. 1. Shake it like you mean it. 1. Strain into a chilled martini glass. Lime wedge. For a touch of elegance, there you have it, a Cosmopolitan that's as stylish and sophisticated as you are. Cheers to you. Time to shake things up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check my channel for more interesting content.